want me to go back to the Butong, to the island, to do the teaching, and then they are the one listening to me. How will I teach the kids?
Do you have time to tell them your testimony about Batong, about Leia, about them
Oh,
praying for you,
yeah.
and
Uh,
and and all that?
Yeah, the very beginning, Pastor Rex on that church, the very beginning for their lives, Pastor Rex already ministering over there, but that people there mocking Pastor Rex, like murmur, and then Pastor Rex stopped.
How many
So
years ago was that? Long time, right?
long time ago. He said long time ago. Then he prayed. He said because he cannot go there. Then he prayed that there will be someone to go there you know to minister. That was Leah is very young during the time. Leah is very young during the time. She's just a kid, like 7 or 8 years old, like that, because she was young.
And she just finished college now.
And now she's just finished college. But the thing is the connect that uh, I post a college student part-time job here in my house to help me cleaning so that I can do online, right? And then that is Leia and Claire, and then Leia, because they are rented bed spacer over there. So I said, if you're going to transfer here, it's free, but you need to help me to, everything is free, lights, water, Wi-Fi, internet, like that. And also, I'm going to give them allowance going to school. Not every day, but we have already agreed with that. So, oh no, that's every day. Before was every day. And then that's the beginning of what I know, Leah. And then before I let them came inside in my house, I shared the gospel first. Then when they heard that, and then because I don't want to work with me or to enter in my house if you don't know that if you are saved or not. So do you believe God? So I started sharing the gospel. And Leah and Claire, both of them said yes, even though I talked to them different time. But I sense I observed Leah that she is like interested of what I just shared because she is comparing